Okay, now we're going to continue on with moment releases, like pin-ended joints or fixed joints. So beam A is one piece of steel from end to end, which this is beam A, and it runs through two members. Now in order to draw it as it's one piece of steel, when you click on your member release tool, you put in your releases, you click on this one's fixed and this one's for releases. You click OK, you come over, and that puts a release in joint 4. You come over here, you put a release over there, and you don't put a release in these two, because when you put a release here and here, now SRAM thinks it's one continuous beam. So it's one piece of steel from end to end. And again, you go to joint 1 for your column, you do the same thing. And then you do the same thing for column 2, except column 2 is one piece of steel too, from one end to one end, so you don't put it at joint 6 or on either end. You go right up to joint 8. And then you do the same thing for column 3. Next, we're going to read, it says the roof rafter, collar ties, and braces are all pin-ended, which means the roof rafter and collar ties are all have moment releases. So you can either just do a little highlight for all of them quickly, or, well, it did it anyway. If you notice, I just did a little section and it lit them up. Almost all of them up. You can zoom in and make sure. Okay, so now these are released, these are released, these are released, except this one and this one aren't released yet. Now we're going to do those next. And it says brace 12 to 13 is continuous through joint 12. So brace 12 and 13 is continuous through joint 7. Joint 7's right here. That means there's a release here and there's a release here. Alright? And everything else is solid there. But for pause. Can you pause it?